In Python, if I return inside a with block, will the file still close? Consider the following. Will the file be closed properly, or does using return somehow bypass the context manager?
Yes, it acts like the finally block after a try block, i.e. it always executes, unless the Python process terminates in an unusual way, of course. It is also mentioned in one of the examples of PEP 343, which is the specification for the with statement. Something worth mentioning is, however, that you cannot easily catch exceptions thrown by the open call without putting the whole with block inside a try.except block, which is usually not what one wants.
Yes is pretty much equivalent to more accurately, the __exit__ method in a context manager is always called when exiting the block, regardless of exceptions, returns, etc. The file objects method just calls f.close, e.g here in Python.
Yes. More generally, the __exit__ method of a with statement context manager will indeed be called in the event of a return from inside the context. This can be tested with the following. The output is the output above confirms that __exit__ was called despite the early return. As such, the context manager is not bypassed.
Yes, but there may be some side effect in other cases, because it should do something, like flushing buffer, in __exit__ block.
If you want support now, please download Locky as a friend.